Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your 8-ball pool account on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the 8-ball pool game on your device. And once the game is fully loaded, you will be taken into the main menu. Now from the main menu, in order to delete your account, if you have logged in already, simply tap on the settings option at the bottom left corner. From here you will find various login options including your Google Play, your Facebook account and your miniclip ID. From here, if you are already logged in, using your Facebook, your Google Play or miniclip ID, you can simply tap on the logout button and you will be logged out from your account. That is how you can delete the saved account from your 8-ball pool game. However, in order to completely start up a new game, you will either have to change the Facebook account or the miniclip or the Google Play account associated with your 8-ball pool game. You can also tap on Play as Guest and you will be able to start a new game completely without signing up to any accounts. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your existing account on the 8-ball pool game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.